guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Joe from Petty Fixes, and I got another video for you all today regarding my PC. So I'm going to be upgrading my GTX 1070 to the Vega 56. I scored this on a really good deal on Craigslist for $195, essentially brand new. The guy installed it one time and took it out because he found something else, and he just decided to put it up for sale on Craigslist. So I'm going to be upgrading my graphics card to the Vega 56. I've heard a lot about this card. I like the card a lot, and I've always wondered, how it would perform underwater. I've seen tons of benchmarks and stuff like that, but I want to see for myself. So I bought the card about 2 weeks ago. It's just been sitting here collecting a little dust, but I'm ready to go ahead and get this thing up underwater. So I went ahead and ordered this right here from EK. It's the EKWB Radeon Vega RGB water block. It's a nickel plexi, and I've been looking for something pretty slim to fit over this because I don't want like a crazy thick block like the one I currently got from, I think it's Bits Power, on my GTX 1070. It's not a bad block, but honestly, like, the RGB implementation was pretty lackluster on it, and yeah, I had to make my own, but we're gonna fix all that today. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what all's in here, and let's get started. Okay, so opening up package. I mean, it's obvious that's what's gonna come in here. You got your thermal pads that you need for your VRMs and stuff. Got your instructions that you're gonna need to put the water block on the graphics card. You got a single IO plate. So I guess this is like a single slot IO shield. We're gonna see. I'd rather take it down to something slim like that. I think it'll look pretty good. And of course you have the actual block itself. Let's set that to the side. And then you have thermal paste, screws, all kinds of stuff in here. So this is just installation tools and stuff like that. So that's about it that comes inside the block. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing put on. Okay, so I got the PCB. I got the bare PCB out of the cooler, out of the stock cooler. Had a little trouble. I think I stripped the screw or two, but I got it done. So let's go ahead and wipe off this thermal paste on the die, and let's get this thing installed. Okay, fast forward a little bit, now I got the block on. And I will say, man, it's a really nice looking block. It's definitely slimmer and thinner than the block I have on my my GTX 1070, my MSI 1070. Now, the thing about the 1070 is, like, the card itself from MSI is just a really wide card. You kind of need like a custom block for it, but the thing is, not many companies made blocks for the 1070, so it was really hard finding one. But almost everyone had blocks for the RX Vega cards. And the cool thing is, the Vega cards fit like cards for 1080s. I mean, not 1080s. They fit water blocks for the 56 and the 64 version of the Vega. So that's a good thing. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and get this thing back in the PC, and we're gonna go ahead and replace this 1070. Okay guys, so here you have it in all its glory. This is my unnamed PC at the moment. I haven't named it yet, but I'm hoping you guys can help me come up with a name. So as you can see, I definitely done like a lot of changes, big time changes. A lot of it's like undocumented. If you follow me on Twitter, you know exactly what's been going on. But I haven't had time to really like document the whole entire build. So what I did, I just built it, and I just put like little things here and there, little incremental upgrades and stuff like that. But the big major things I've done, honestly, for real, was the graphics card, the monoblock on the what's up, dude? The monoblock on the motherboard, the Vega graphics card, and I changed up the the GTX 1070. It was just a massive card. It was actually running into my RAM. I had like really bad issues with RAM clearance. So if I wanted to change my RAM out, I just couldn't do it without completely disassembling the whole loop. I also went with an EK pump and a pump top. I love the pump top. It actually like complements everything really well. As you can see, I went with the EK reservoir. It's a 250 mil. It's definitely a nice addition for me. I went with sleeve cables as well. I mean, who wouldn't? These are actually from Antec. They're silver, and I got a lot of chrome fittings from Barrow as well. I went with these right here, these sleeve cables, mainly for the simple fact that I couldn't find any in silver, and I didn't want to pay like $70 for cables from Cable Mod. So yeah, I just went with that. That's pretty much it, guys. That's what I did. The Vega card obviously looks really, really good. Looks at home. And I like the subtle LED enhancements on the block. My son in the background talking. But yeah, guys, this is what I've been wanting for a while. Now it's just time to test it out in game. So with that said, guys, go ahead and drop me a like if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.